At Illinois Tech, you know all about the $1 Million Sermon. This inspiring manifesto called upon Illinois Tech's founders to create a university that will provide students from all backgrounds with an exceptional education to prepare them to become leaders in a new industrial society. Today, cyber forensics and security student Sofia is studying a cutting-edge topic that's on target to land her a great job after graduation. Let's hear more.
Thank you for the introduction, Alex. Hello, everyone. When looking for my ideal college, I knew that I wanted to attend a school with a strong focus on technology so that I could explore my interest in computing. Illinois Tech offered the academic opportunities and student community I was looking for. As a first-generation college student, the idea of higher education felt overwhelming. I wasn't sure of how to maximize my time at Illinois Tech. My academic advisor encouraged me to apply to the Accelerated Master's program, and I was accepted to the Cyber Forensics and Security track. This ended up being the perfect fit for me. I was greeted by a program that is challenging and professors that strive to make the content exciting. Through my classes, I met students from different countries and cultures, each with unique perspectives to learn from. Affording education was another concern of mine. Founded with a mission to provide a relevant college experience that is affordable for all Chicagoans, Illinois Tech offers several forms of financial aid, such as the Chicago Difference, which covers the cost of attendance for Chicagoans in need. Thanks to the financial aid that I receive, I'm able to focus time outside of class on student organizations and volunteer work. Illinois Tech is committed to providing quality programs not just to college students, but to high school scholars as well. I worked as part of the pre-college team to launch the Illinois Tech DevUp Scholars Program, an initiative focused on equipping high school students from Chicago's South Side with leadership skills through social justice and STEM entrepreneurship opportunities. With the help of my professors and peers, Illinois Tech's hands-on curriculum has helped me grow as a team member and future part of the cybersecurity workforce. That's all from me. Back to you, Alex.
What an amazing story, Sofia. Thank you. At Illinois Tech, you'll receive an excellent education, plus really cool experiential learning opportunities that lead to professional success. With fantastic scholarship packages, a personalized career plan, and hands-on experiences, it all adds up to one high-value degree. Thanks again, Sofia.